So we have finished the first unit, right? So today we'll learn a small grammar part which are called as articles. Before going to the articles, I would like to ask you some questions, okay? Are you ready? How many alphabets are there? Exactly. There are 26 alphabets, isn't it? What are they? A to Z, right? Now, have you ever heard a word called as vowel? Okay. Now, let me clarify this to you. Okay, children, you can see the 26 alphabets on the board here. Now, totally there are 26 alphabets, right? That is what we know. Out of them, I will pick 5 alphabets, right? See here. A. Next is E. Next is I. Next is O. And next one is U. So, what are the 5 alphabets I picked up? A, E, I, O, U. All these 5 alphabets are called as vowels. Or they are called as vowels. So, rest of them, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, they are all called as consonants, or they are called as consonants. So alphabets are divided into 2 basing on the sounds. One is vowels and second one is consonants. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And what are the consonants? Rest of the alphabets, remaining rest of the alphabets without A, E, I, O, U are called as the consonants. Okay, children. So today we are going to see a special topic which is called as the articles. I want you to listen very carefully. Okay. Okay, children. A and the. These 3 are called as articles. What they are called as? Articles. Okay. These are 3 words which we regularly use in our conversation, isn't it? So these are the 3 words which we regularly use in our conversation. So first of all, we'll see A. When we should use A. When we should use A. Okay. Now, for example, if I say it is dash bad, what is the article we are going to use here? Okay. Basically, you'll say A. But why you are using A here? What is the reason behind that? Because see here, this is a consonant. Okay, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Apart from this, all are consonants. So here, if this particular letter alphabet is having the consonantal sound, if it is giving out the consonantal sound, then what you have read here? You have read here A. Now, if I write it is a cat. Okay, now if I write here it is dash cat. What do you write here? A or an? Again A. Why? Because this is a C. Okay, now but you are not pronouncing C as C here, isn't it? How you are pronouncing that? It is a cat. K. K in the sense the sound here is K. Now we have to check whether this K is a vowel or consonant. So what is the sound here? K sound. So what is K? It is a consonantal sound. So that's why you write here A. We'll take one more example. It is dash C. Now what do you write here? Okay, A or an? We'll check. Now what is the sound of this alphabet? What is sound? C sound. It is not yes sound. What is it? It is sound C. So what is C? C is a consonant again. That's why you write here A. Okay, now it is dash bat. What do you write here? A, because B, it is a B sound. So always base your article on the basis of sound, not because it is consonant, not it is because it is not A, E, I, O, U, all the rest of the alphabets, whatever comes, you write A. No, it's wrong. You should base it on the sound of the alphabet. Sound of the alphabet, because every alphabet will not have the same kind of sound. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now, secondly, we'll go ahead with an. Let me put it in this way. It is dash orange. So now, what you write here? Very nice. From childhood itself, you are learning this one. It is an orange. Why it is an orange? Why you are writing an here? Is it because it is O? Because O is a vowel? Are you writing an here? No. It is not because of the O. It is because this sound of this. How you pronounce? You not pronounce as orange, isn't it? What's your pronunciation? Orange. That means the word, the sound which comes here is the A. So A is a vowel sound, not O sound, isn't it? It's A sound, not O sound. So it is a sound of A. So A is a vowel. A is a vowel, and that is the reason why you are writing here an. Okay, let me take one other example. It is dash apple. Okay, what will you write here? We'll see. What's the sound here? Apple. That is A sound. So A is again a vowel. That's why you write here an. Okay, and then it is dash ink pot. What do you write here? Yeah, you write here an. Why? Because I is in the vowels. No. You see here, what's the pronunciation? Ink pot. That is, the sound which is coming here is E. It is not I. So, what do you write here? Because E is a vowel, you write an here. Okay, now in the same way you write, it is dash elephant. So, what do you write here? Here an. Here an. Again write an here. Now, what is the sound here? You're not saying it as elephant, isn't it? What you're pronouncing it as? Elephant. Again, the sound which is here is A. Because A is a vowel, you'll write here an. Okay, children. So, I'll give you a few more examples. Stay tuned. Now the example which I'm going to give you are a bit tricky. Okay, now let's check them off. It's been dash hour. It's been dash hour. I was waiting for him. So it's been dash hour. Now here, what you write here? Will you write A or an? What do you write here? Because H is a consonant, you write A, isn't it? H also sounds in a pronounce like the sound of the H is also H, so you write A. No, it's wrong. You should not write like that, because here, if you check here, you will not pronounce it as hover. You will pronounce it as R. That means the sound which is coming here, H is silent here, and what's the next letter? O. It is not even coming as hover, you will pronounce it as R. So, R sound is the A sound. So, again you write here an. Now you tell me this one. He is dash honest boy. What do you write here? A or an? Which one? Yeah. So you should not write A here because H is a consonant. No. Here the H is silent here. Again you will say pronounce it as honest. That is A sound is coming here. That's why you write here an. Okay children. So we'll go ahead with one more example. He is dash Indian. A or an? Again we'll go ahead with the sound Indian, not Indian. So it is E. So again we'll write here an. Like this, we can have number of examples, like using the A and an, right? So now we will take one more example, which is very, very important, okay, which may confuse you and also make you lose your marks. I studied in dash university. I want you to only fill with A or an. So what do you do now? I studied in dash university, A or an. So because U is a vowel sound, if you write an, it will become wrong. Okay, so if you observe very carefully, the sound of this U is not U sound, it is Y sound, university. Okay, so that's why what we will do is here, okay, what we will do here, you will write A. It is similar in here. I failed in dash unit test. I want you to fill only with A or an. Again, what is it? Yeah, because U is a vowel, don't write and here. Again it will become wrong. I failed in an unit test. So it's wrong. I failed in a unit test because again the sound here is Y sound. Unit test. Okay. Now if you take I carry dash umbrella. So again here there is U, but the pronunciation is different. You are saying it as umbrella, right? That is A sound here. You write an here. But whereas when you write this two, that is university and unit test, you cannot write an. And what you write here? A. One more example I'll give you in the same way. He is dash. He is dash European, right? What you write here? A or an? Again, don't get confused. E is a vowel, so you should not write. You can write an, but if you write an, it will be wrong. Why? Because the sound here is he is dash European. So again, it is Y sound. So again, what you write here? A. He is a European. That is how you have to fill these blanks using A or an. So always keep your mind on sounds but not on the consonants or vowels. It's always check vowel sound and consonantal sound. Sounds are more important than the vowels. Always it will not be right. So if you only see the vowel and write an, it will be wrong. If you only see the consonants and write it, it will be wrong. So you cannot do that. Always check the sound of them and then write it. Okay, is that clear, children? So if A and an are clear, tomorrow we'll discuss the. Okay, see you all. Have a great day.